Google Drive's new Gemini AI lets you chat with your files. Plus, Google's AI mode is now open to everyone in the US, taking on ChatGPT with next-level search tricks. But there's a catch for Drive users. Gadinsider is unpacking the hottest Google AI updates. You won't want to miss this. Hey Gadinsider crew, Google's dropping major AI upgrades. Google Drive's new Gemini AI conversation feature is here, but it's locked to paid Google Workspace users. Meanwhile, Google's AI mode is expanding with powerful search tools for all. We've got the latest on both. Let's break it down. First up, Google Drive's Gemini AI conversation feature. This lets paid Google Workspace subscribers talk to their files. Need a specific doc summary or data from a spreadsheet? Just ask and Gemini pulls answers instantly. Leak suggests it can handle complex queries like finding project details across multiple files or generating insights from your data. It's like having an AI assistant inside Drive, but only for Workspace Business or Enterprise plans, leaving free users out for now. Next, Google's AI mode is going big. Previously waitlisted, it's now open to all US users 18+ who sign up for Google Labs. AI mode lets you ask complex questions and follow-ups right in search, rivaling Perplexity AI and ChatGPT search. Some users are even seeing an AI mode tab in Google search, making it easier to dive into deep queries. This is Google's push to dominate AI-powered search. AI mode's new left side panel on desktop is a game changer. It saves your past searches, letting you pick up where you left off, perfect for research or long projects. Plus, visual place and product cards bring detailed info like restaurant ratings or real-time prices for vintage shops. Imagine browsing local spots with all the deets at your fingertips, powered by AI for speed and accuracy. Why is Google doing this? They're gunning for AI supremacy. The Drive Gemini feature makes Workspace a must-have for pros, while AI mode's expansion takes on ChatGPT and Perplexity with smarter, more visual search. Leaks hint at local processing for faster responses, giving Google an edge. Whether it's chatting with files or deep diving searches, Google's AI is flexing hard. Why is this epic? Google Drive's Gemini AI could transform how we work with files, and AI modes making search smarter for everyone. From project management to quick shopping, Google's AI is leveling up. But will free Drive users get love? And can AI mode outshine its rivals? We're pumped to see where this goes. If you're hyped for Google's AI revolution, smash that like button and subscribe to Gadinsider for more tech leaks.